Welcome to today's video technical update presented by FX Times. It is Thursday, February 11th, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. Today I will follow up on the pound dollar, euro pound, and the Aussie dollar pair. This video is being produced at about 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time ahead of the Asian session. Here's a look at the pound dollar pair. We've been following this decline, the second leg of this decline, for a while now, and the market has almost reached 100% projection of that. It broke the recently it broke an important support at 1.57, but the market has not followed with any further decline just yet. In fact, the market seems to be still testing this breakout. Trying to establish whether this is going to be a clear out or this is going to be a continuation. However, if you look at the market since November, we see that it has been in a declining channel. More importantly, it looks like a bullish butterfly. So there will be some bullish forces here. Maybe it's already acting up, the bullish forces as support. So the question is whether this consolidation will lead to further retracement or further continuation. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see that the consolidation has developed a possible double bottom. It's a double bottom if the market is able to rally above 1.57 and close above maybe 1.5750. So at the moment, the market is rejected for one time, and now it's testing it a second time. So if the market breaks through, one of the pattern projection could be just an extension of the width of the pattern in the direction of the breakout, which is to 1.59. So the retracement may continue further to 1.59. Now break below 1.5550 will signify further decline into the 1.55 area or 1.5450 area, and that would be a completion of this 100% swing projection. Alright, so that's the pound dollar. We have to be ready for some reversal or some retracement, although some further bearish continuation might still be left before any significant correction. So be prepared for both scenarios. Probably look at the breakout. If there's a strong breakout in either way in the short term, you might want to make a swing projection, not a swing projection, a pattern breakout projection. And even on the bottom, you see this is to 1.55 area, so 1.54 area. So this is also coincident with this swing projection as well, maybe a little further down, but that's the short-term outlook for the pound dollar pair. Today's price action was very important for the euro pound pair. You see, recently the market has broken below the 0.8850 support, and even more recently, the market basically is attempting a pullback. So we're trying to establish whether this is a simple pullback or maybe it's a reversal for further rally. Today's price action shows that this is probably a pullback, and that spells further weakness for the euro pound. A swing projection here brings the pair down to 0.84. Okay, so that's the daily projection, daily time frame, and you see stochastics already rolled and crossed over. So there's some. This is a very bearish signal. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, just to recap the price action here. Oh, too much. You see the market has shown a couple of retracement patterns. Here we had this rally, ended up with a bullish butterfly. Just to make it more clear, see one leg, two leg, three leg, and then this final completion of this bullish butterfly, which resulted in a rally. Now, in this rally, we have also a butterfly, this time a bearish butterfly. So the market here, coincident with our previous resistance and the 200-day moving average, or here 200 period moving average, had a lot of resistance, and the market rejected rally further ahead of that. So the market now is declining. It broke this up sloping trend line. So looking back at the daily, this is our projection. Looking at the weekly, this is a bigger swing projection, and it also matches. It actually points a little lower to 0.83. So in any case, this is an area of viable support. So if you're monitoring your decline, look for some support at 0.84, and if the market continues, look at some support at 0.83. Okay. Finally, we have the Aussie dollar pair, which is showing very strong reversal signals for the past few sessions. You see here, at the end of last week, we had a very small reverse head and shoulders, and we had a breakout to start this week. A little pause here as it tested this accelerated trend line, and after it broke that, the market surged. So now it's testing this another downsloping trend line. The price action looks like suggests that the market will be successful in breaking that. So we are in a retracement. Of course, when we're in a retracement like this with such a strong rally, we have to keep our anticipation, keep our mind flexible that this could be actually a rally, not just a retracement. Now, looking at the daily time frame, you see that retracement to the 61% would be to the 0.9 level. But it is the case that we are in a long-term bullish trend, in an intermediate term consolidation, and here in the short term we experienced a decline, and now we are experiencing a rally. So within this ranging mode, this rally could actually bring us up to here to test this previous high test the previous high, or maybe test this declining trend line down here. So we're still stuck in this ranging mode. The market broke some flat supports, but this consolidation pattern, sort of a sideways, slightly downsloping channel, has not been broken. This break here was not sustained, and it apparently is a clear out. So anticipate some further bullish action with a first target at 0.9 and another one at 0.917, 0.92. Okay, the momentum is showing that too. And if you look at the 4-hour momentum, you see in this decline, the market, the stochastic, was unable to push past 70, and that's indicative of a bearish mode. Now the market broke above, and here is showing very strong bullish momentum. So we may have a change within this consolidation context. Okay, so that's the short intermediate term outlook for the Aussie dollar pair. Just a quick correction, I said 70 before when I actually meant 60. See, the market wasn't able to push above 60 in this 4-hour stochastic, indicative of a bearish mode here, but the break here suggests a switch in momentum. And that wraps it up for today. Visit fxtimes.com for more fundamental and technical updates, as well as educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at FX Times, wishing you good trading.